Welcome to the Crypto Boss Ninja channel. If you guys are new, I usually go over crypto, but I thought today I would go over Tesla because it's kind of struggling. And back in the day, I used to trade Tesla a lot. I invested in Tesla. It was kind of crazy what happened before that crazy run up years ago. But overall, right now, it's looking like it's a slaughterhouse, and I kind of just want to look at it. I also want to see how, like a stock video would do, because right now it is kind of slow in crypto, and the channel is kind of struggling, so it's okay. I just wanted to try something new and see what happens. So, and plus, I'm curious about Tesla too. I was thinking about getting back into trading stocks if the crypto markets are going to be slow, but I don't know. Maybe that means the stock market's going to fall as well. But let's look at this. The weekly chart on Tesla is really trying to put in a lot higher low on the macro time frame. So you had that macro resistance at 416. This might be a longer video. You have that support down there at $150. That was your last weekly low. You have another weekly resistance now at 300 exactly, basically. And really now on the macro time frame, I would also say that that's a local low there at 175 or around that area. And then it's not great support right there, so I won't add a support or resistance there. This is just the weekly time frame. So really, if you don't get back above 175 bucks, you could probably see 150. No. Like $100 coming on Tesla. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Is like if you don't get above 180, 175, I'd be looking for like literally 100. That's psychological support, I would hope, down there. But at the same time, who knows? Like below that, your next support is $20, and I know that you're also going to have support at that, which was once resistance. That's going to turn support at that $65 area. So it could be a pretty fast drop here to $100. Let's look at the daily. I mean, you're below the 200, you're below the 21. Also, the 21 crossed the 200, so that's a death cross on the weekly. That's not a good sign. If we go to the 3-day, you already had the death cross way back here in November of last year. And then if you look at the 2-day time frame on Tesla, you just had the death cross here on the 2-day as of more recently, like in March of beginning, so like last month. And then on the daily chart, you have the death cross in January of last year, or just a few months ago. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. This is obviously macro time frame stuff, but really it's likely now that you go to $100 on Tesla. So I'm not saying short it, but I'm definitely thinking about it. I did download the Webull app, so this is not financial advice, but this does look like on the macro time frame a longer term short. If I did get back in the stock market, I'd be trading like the daily and up. It wouldn't be like the smaller time frames like I do with crypto, because I don't want to watch the stock market as much. But plus, it might be less stressful to trade the stock market because it's not trading 24/7. So, I thought I liked crypto because it trades 24/7. It's more exciting, but that also means you never get sleep. So there's that. But yeah, so really, if you don't give up 175, I'm looking for a move to 100. So you could technically have a stop loss at 180 or 175 with a take profit at 100, or really a partial take profit there and a second take profit at 65. I don't know if we go that low, but that's what I'm looking at for Tesla, and to me it looks really bad. I don't know what's going on right now with the electric car market, but honestly, if the market starts taking a hit, electric cars aren't going to probably do so hot. And honestly, I've never been a huge fan of Tesla because, frankly, I don't get the whole thing with charging it. Like, you limit where you can go when you buy an electric car because there's not a lot of electric charging stations, at least not yet. I'm sure with time that will change, but with that being the case, I'm not a huge fan of it, and it's probably overvalued at the current price even now. So we'll see what happens, but $100 seems likely on Tesla. That's my macro analysis. I might start posting macro analysis on some stocks like once a week. We'll see what happens if you guys like it. But with that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this, appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe. I'll be live Saturday, 11 p.m. Central Time. We also have a trading group if you guys want to join that on Patreon, and also a free Telegram, so feel free to join that. A link to join that is in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video.